Hello everybody, welcome back. Paulie with Slaughter Food Creations. Great recipe for you today. Eggplant with smoked mozzarella and a simple marinara sauce. You're not going to want to miss this, so let me show you how it's done. Alright, you can see we got our eggplant here. I've got it sliced in about 1/2 inch slices. And I've got it lined up on a sheet pan here that's lined with paper towels. So to prep our eggplant, we'll take some kosher salt and we'll just go over the top of each piece like so. And we're going to do both sides, so we'll flip everything over. And by salting these and letting them sit for about 10 to 15 minutes or so, it'll draw the water and liquid out of each of these pieces so that they brown up nicely for us when we go to cook them. But like so, we get them seasoned up and we'll let them sit here and let the paper towel soak up the liquid on these. So we got that prepped. We'll let it sit and we'll get our sauce, chunky tomato marinara sauce started. Alright, we have our saucepan here. It's on medium heat or so. I'm going to go in with a tablespoon or so of extra virgin olive oil. And we'll go in with diced shallot. And we'll let that get sauteing down. While our shallot's sauteing, I've got a 1/2 can of DOP certified San Marzano tomatoes that I'm going to hand crush in a bowl here. Get those ready. Okay, our shallot's been going for about a couple minutes. I'm going to go in with a couple cloves of minced garlic and just stir that around for about a minute. It's been about a minute, so we're going to go in with our San Marzano tomato, like so, and get that incorporated in. Okay, we've got our tomatoes mixed in there, so it's time to hit it with some kosher salt. A generous pinch, like so, and we can taste test it in a minute. And it's time to go in with about a teaspoon of sugar, like so. Some cracked black pepper. Like so. And about 1/2 teaspoon or so of herb de Provence. And along with that, a 1/2 teaspoon dash of red wine vinegar, like so. We'll get that all incorporated. Okay, after getting it all incorporated there, I'm going to reduce it down to a simmer and we'll let it go for the duration of the cook time of our eggplant, and it'll be ready to go. Okay, we're going to finish the rest of our eggplant prep here. I've got some extra virgin olive oil and I'm just going to brush it like so on either side of our eggplant. I wiped them off after letting them sit for about 15-20 minutes with kosher salt on each side. So like I said, now I'm just brushing each piece and I'm going to do tops and bottoms. And then we'll get these finished up here and ready to go in our preheated oven, which is preheated at 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, as you can see, I've got them all coated with extra virgin olive oil. I've got our sheet pan here, and it's covered, lined with foil to help for easy cleanup. So I got my panko here, so we'll just generously do each side like so, and then put it back on our tray here, our pan, and we'll get them each coated up like so, and we'll get them ready to pop in the oven right after. Okay, 10 minutes into baking, I've pulled them out and I'm gonna flip them over, our pieces like so, and we'll get the finishing touches on these for when we put them back in to the oven to finish up here cooking. But let me get these all flipped and then we'll finish up. Okay, I've flipped each one over and I'm going on top with some fresh basil slices here, like so. And we're going to get these on top of each one of these pieces here, like so. Okay, we've got our basil leaves on. Now I've got some smoked mozzarella slices here, and we're going to go on top of each one of these pieces with sliced mozzarella like so. But we're going to get that on top of each one of these as well, and we'll get it back into the oven for the remainder of the cook time, which will be about like another 10 minutes or so. And then we'll switch on our broiler and get a nice brown exterior on the tops of each one of these, so they will be ready to go. There you have it. It is our eggplant with smoked mozzarella and marinara. Just a simple dish, but very tasty. Hope you give it a try. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time here at Slaughter Food Creations.